Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check the IMEI number via a special code on iPhone Air. To check the IMEI number, you should get to the phone app, then go to keypad and now type in *##06#. And now, as you can see, the IMEI numbers are here. There are two because there are two antennas for SIM to connect to the network. You can use dual SIM, so there's two IMEI numbers and they both are valid, and you can use it for different things, like for example IMEI.Info website, which I'll show you in a moment. But before that, I'll also show you two more things. I have the original box from the iPhone, and I know for sure that it's the exact box of this iPhone, so I can also use the box to check the IMEI number, because on some iPhones, like, you may have a wrong box. It might have been replaced if you used it, if you bought it used, right? But here I have the IMEI number 1 and IMEI number 2. So also they are here, and also you can check it in settings if for whatever reason the code doesn't work. So if you go to general, then go to about, and scroll all the way down, you'll see both IMEI numbers. Now I'll press and hold and copy. Then let's go to a certain website, IMEI.Info. Now when I go through that, I'm on the website, right? And now I can type in the IMEI number of a phone. But yeah, it comes with spaces, so I'll need to delete the spaces. Like, on iPhones it comes with spaces, so I need to delete the spaces and add two last digits which didn't fit. I don't remember which one I've copied. Okay, it's 36. So let's do 36. Check IMEI, and now you can see it has all the data about the iPhone. Okay, I'll just go through the ad. And as you can see, we have all the data about the phone. And what's great here is when you scroll down, now you have some paid and free checks. And they may get useful in different scenarios. For example, if you're buying the phone, you can ask the seller for the IMEI number and then do a check, for example, to see if it's locked, like with locked with the carrier, a SIM lock, or something else is wrong. You can check it always here. You can check if it's blacklisted, if it was stolen, for example, or stuff like that. Then you can also, if you lose the phone, you can go to lost device add, and then add your phone as a lost device, so when someone finds it, they can also enter the IMEI number of your phone into the website and see if it's on a lost devices list. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.